Flying JSX soon? Their baggage rules are different from regular airlines, and that can save you money or surprise you at the terminal. Here's the clear 5-point breakdown of JSX baggage allowance so you pack right and avoid fees. Point 1. Free checked bags depend on your fare. JSX makes checked bags simple and generous. Hop-on fares include 2 free checked bags, each up to 50 pounds. All-in fares include 3 free checked bags, each up to 50 pounds. Bags are usually delivered plainside at their private terminals. This is one of the biggest perks compared to most commercial airlines that charge for the first bag. Point 2. No regular carry-on roller bags in the cabin. JSX flies smaller 30-seat jets with no traditional overhead bins. That means a standard carry-on suitcase, the typical 22x14x9 size, must be checked. You cannot bring a full-size roller bag into the cabin. Plan ahead so you don't get stuck trying to board with it. Point 3. Only small personal items allowed on board. You can bring small personal items that fit completely under the seat in front of you. Common limits cited are around 13 inches wide times 11 inches high times 17 inches long. Soft backpacks, purses, laptop bags, or small duffels work best. Recent JSX messaging has mentioned 2 personal items are free, but they still must fit under the seat. Anything larger gets checked. Point 4. Extra and overweight bags cost $50 each. Need more than your free allowance? Extra bags cost $50 each. Any bag over 50 pounds also incurs a $50 overweight fee. Keep bags at or under 50 pounds to avoid the extra charge. Space and weight on these smaller aircraft are limited, so extra bags are not always guaranteed if the flight is full. Point 5. Pack smart for the JSX experience. Because your main luggage is checked, put essentials, meds, valuables, a change of clothes, chargers, and documents in your underseat personal item. Check in at the private terminal. The process is fast and contactless. Always double-check the latest details on jsx.com or in the app before you fly, as policies can have small updates. That's JSX baggage in a nutshell. Generous free checked bags, almost no cabin luggage, and simple $50 fees for extras. Pack light for the cabin and enjoy the smoother flying experience. If this helped, like and subscribe for more airline tips. Safe travels.